Hi, this is Dr. Rick Turner. I'm going to show you how to train and spell check a word that Dragon doesn't understand. I'm going to bring up my dictation box. The patient's primary care physician is Dr. John Guichetot. Select Guichetot. Spell that. Capital G-U-I-C-H-E-T-E-A-U. Train. Now, here I'm going to need to use the mouse to select the Go button. Each time I select Go, I'm going to say Guichetot, and it's better if I do that 3 or 4 times so Dragon gets it down. So here's my first iteration. Guichetot. In my second iteration, Guichetot. In my third iteration, selecting Go again, Guichetot. And we'll give it one more time, selecting Go, Guichetot. Now I'm just going to select Done, and I hope to God this worked. Let's backspace this off, see what happens this next time. The patient's primary care physician is Dr. John Guichetot. And there you have it. It works. Have a good day.